Hello, I'm going to show you how to easily recover World App account. First of all, reinstall the World App on your device, Android or iOS. Open the app and tap Recover Your Account. Enter the same phone number you used when registering. You will get a verification code via SMS. Enter it. If you previously backed up Google Drive or iCloud, the app will ask to restore from backup. Confirm and your account should be recovered with your World ID. Transaction history, WorldCoin/VLD balance. If you lost your phone or changed your number, here's what you can do. Go to the World app help page, submit a ticket with your original phone number, any backup email, your World ID code, approximate last login date. World app support will review your case. This may take several days. What if you didn't back up? If you didn't enable backup to Google Drive or iCloud and lose your phone or data, account recovery is impossible. WorldCoin uses local encryption for privacy and they can't recover your data. Tips to prevent future loss: enable backup and restore in your World app. Under Settings, go to Backup. Link your account to both a phone number and optionally Google/iCloud. Save your World ID or account info in a secure place.